Sam, other side. Hey, Em, just watch Sam. Just play safety for me before. All right, she's gonna move from side to side where we need her to go. All right. Check in with the ref at 7 yards, please. Lola, if there's nobody in front of you, bunch down a little bit. But don't leave this zone. You got her. You got her. Watch this here. Watch this here. Hey, watch this side here, Sam. Kylie, come in a little bit. Kylie, come in a little bit. Come down. Come down. Out of bounds. That's all right. I'll take that. I'll take that.
Second down.
Hey, go two. Go two. Go two. Go two. Hey, you two are switching. You two are switching here. Lola, if she goes, back up first. Don't just go with her. Back up first. They're just trying to take you out of the play. There you go. Kylie, come down a little bit. Sam, you got two over here. We got twins to the left.
1, 2, 3.
Get down, get down.
Here we go. Good D.
You got to check in with the ref, Sarah. Got to be 7 yards to check with him. Give him a thumbs up.
You got offsetting penalties. You got an illegal rush. You got an illegal forward pass.
All right.
This penalty here to offset. We're going to redo the down.
All right. Hey, same play, same play. Hey,
Second down.
Sarah, switch sides, switch sides, switch sides. Gianna, you're down at the 1. Or you're at the 2, Gianna, you're down. Oh, watch her, watch her. Don't let her leave you. Don't let her leave you. Back pedal first, back pedal first, back pedal first. There we go. I'll take that. I'll take that.
3.
Third down. Hey, let's go 4. Let's go 4. Let's go 4. Sam, look alive on this one. Who's my 2? Who's my 2? Cover there. Lock her up, Kylie. Sam, you got her. You got 1-6. Come on, come on, come on. Need a defensive stop here. Defensive stop here. Go, go, go. Hey, we got to stay with her. Coverage, good coverage. Hey, I'll take that. Beautiful. Hey, that's a good one right there. I like that. Hey, go 5, go 5. Hey, Sam, go into 1. Sam, go into 1. Gianna, go 5. Gianna, go 5. Sam, you're the 1. You're the red arrow. Here we go. Back pedal first here. Hey, we're trips over here. We're trips over here. Stay with her. Stay with her. Stay with her.
3.
Good, Sam. Get over there. Good. Nice hit. That was a sweet pass.
6. We're going 1.
Hey, go 6. Go 6. Go 6. Sarah, bravo. Sarah, bravo. 7 yards. Hey, we got trips. Lola, watch over there. Move in a little bit. Move in a little bit.
1, 2, 3. Turn down Wolf.
Hey, we're gonna go 1. We're gonna go 1 to top. 1 New York. 1 New York to top. 1 New York to top. Sam, catch that. It's all right. It's all right.
I'm just realizing how close the jerseys are.
Go 5. Go 5. Go 5.
I don't know which one.
Go 5. We're gonna go California on this one. California. Take it down. 3, Jasmine. 3. Quick. 3.
Good. That's good. I'll take that. Hey, we're gonna go 2. M, go in. Sam, be the X. M, go tight end. M, go tight end. M, don't motion. Stay where you're at. Move.
2. 3. Ball is out.
Hey, we're going deep. We're going deep. And clean off.
First down leg. Wake up, Jack.
M, stay out. Hey, M, be the 3. Ollie, that's you right there. You see her. Go down as a corner. Hey, we're going 2.
5.5 and running. 5.5.
I don't want to get mercy. You do not want to get mercy. Hey, play tough here. Be relentless. Sam, watch homegirl over here. There you go, G. Good. Good read. Hey, we're gonna go 1. Hey, but flip sides. Gianna, just flip sides. Or whoever the rusher is. There you go. Sam, watch. Sarah, pick up homegirl over there. There you go. Coach, play tough. You gotta play tough in that. Hey, go sit. Hey, look at where they're at. It's still running, folks. Stay wide on this. Everybody 7 yards back. Good.
1, 2, 3. Ball's out.
All right, I'll take that defense.
Second go.
Hey, go 2. Flip the rusher. Flip the one. Everybody else stay 7 yards back. Guys, stay back. Close out if you have to, take hand off.
Before we cross the goal line, we got a flag mark. Going back 5 yards.
Yeah. 2. Play tight. Don't let her go. Kylie, play up. That's you right there. Switching off.
1,
Player.
3.
Don't leave him.
4.
Yeah.
Ladies, line up and shake hands.